Good day, everyone. Emmanuel Jan is my name, the project lead for Group 2.4. Today, we are presenting our project titled Home Appliance and Power Usage Monitoring Cost Estimator. This application helps users record household appliances, calculate their energy consumption, estimate electricity cost, and identify appliances that consume high amounts of power. We will briefly explain how our system works.
I'm in the person of Deborah Nanakwisi. My role in this project is to present the problem statement. Many houses use several electrical appliances every day, but keeping track of electrical consumption manually is daunting. As a result, they often do not know which appliances use the most energy or how much they are likely to pay at the end of the month. To address this problem, our team of competent engineers developed a home appliance power usage monitor and cost estimator using C++. The system records appliance information, calculates daily and monthly energy consumption, estimates electrical cost based on the user defined tariff, and identify appliances with high energy usage. This helps users monitor their electrical components and make decisions to reduce energy costs. Thank you.
Now, documentation that explains the project title, problem statement. The problem title, problem statement, objective, formulas, C++ concepts, used algorithm, pseudocode, flowchart, testing results, screenshots, and the contribution of every team member. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Kulu Martin. I'm in group 2.4 and I'm the one representing the algorithm. Okay, so the algorithm go by step by step. So first you need to start the program. Yeah, when you start the program, then show the title. The title, which it can be your home appliance, power usage, monitor and cost. And three, to need to save data, you need to save the load data. Example like opening your save game instead of starting over. And the first step is ask the user. And the user, for example, the electricity tariff per price or the high consumption transferred, something like that. And as a 5, show the menu. The menu should be like, it should be with 7 choices: add, view, search, delete, view, report, save or report, exit. And step 6, repeat, loop the following until loop. Sorry, repeat.
Hello, say this is Joseph Obudai, the pseudocode writer. This pseudocode is a structural blueprint and a step-by-step outline of the project to monitor home appliances, power usage, and also act as a cost estimator. It prompts the user to add appliances and also input current electricity tariff. So this data helps to calculate the power usage of the appliances every single day. Thank you.
I'm George Oredu Entry, the flowchart designer of Group 2.4. First of all, the flowchart. The flowchart gives us a visual representation of how the program works. It starts by calculating the various inputs entered by the user, and also it checks whether an appliance has high energy consumption, and also displays the report. And when we come over here, we have the user selects option. It gives a variety of options to the user, such as the display all appliance records and also remove matching appliances from the list. And the flowchart concludes by saving all data and finally ending the program. Thank you.
This is early, the calculation and decision logic for group 2.4. Now, the program actually calculate the daily energy consumption by multiplying the power usage by the number of hours and the quantity divided by 1,000. Then it then calculates the monthly energy consumption by multiplying the power energy daily energy consumption by 30.
Akwesi Abam Ejim, the group's C++ programmer. Our application was developed using C++ programming concepts such as classes, objects, functions, loops, conditional statements, vectors, and file handlings. We created an appliance class to store appliance details and implemented functions to validate input, calculate daily and monthly energy usage, daily reports, and save records files.
I'm Elon for testing and debugging. We tested the application using different application records and different electrical tariffs. We also entered invalid values to ensure the validation worked correctly. The results showed that the program calculated energy usage accurately, displayed the correct report, and handled errors properly.
Hello, sir. I'm Fiseni Abdul Salim, and I'm the one handling the GitHub repository in my group. After we are done with the work, we uploaded our work to the GitHub with a well-organized repository containing the source code, the README file, the algorithm, the pseudocode, the flowchart, the documentation, screenshot, and the generated report, making it easier for others to access and review our work.
And today I'm here to take you through the algorithm of the home appliance power usage monitor and cost. So I'd like to run this project in here and I'll use it to explain how the algorithm works. So first of all, when you start, the system asks you of electricity tariff, right? Assuming I have 120, and then let's say the consumption is 100 kilowatt per month, right? It actually takes this value and then it saves it. So I can add the appliance to this. So we record. Maybe let's say this is the code for the appliance 001. I put this one here. Maybe this is a fridge or refrigerator. So I put a fridge here. I'll say maybe the power rating, that is maybe 50. Let me say 50. And then the day, maybe let's say it should be on for maybe about 10 hours a day. And a quantity, let me say maybe 1. And then I can save the report to a file. So basically that is how it works. So this system actually holds and then it saves for the record of your gadget that you use, and then it infers you back. So thank you very much on this.